Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So I just scrambled, threw on some makeup so I could film this video for you guys, and this video is going to be all about the KKW Kim Kardashian Beauty new highlighter palettes. Now I wish I would have gotten this video out earlier for you guys because it literally launches at 3 o'clock our time and it is 2:45 New York time. The package did come to me today, so it's not like I had extra time to film and plan. So even if it sells out, because her things normally do sell out, they always come back in stock quickly, so you can always come back to this video right before the restock to refresh your memory, look at swatches again, and decide which one you're going to get. Also, I want to say a big thank you for supporting my photo of the recreation I did of her Met Gala look, Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. That's what got me attention from the KKW brand, this recreation of her Met Gala look, which I actually did a video on, and I will link it for you guys in the cards and down below so you can check it out. This picture has over 20,000 likes, so thank you guys so much for your support. I'm just really grateful that everything just kind of worked out that way, and if you haven't watched the video, go check it out. Also, I didn't put any highlighter on yet, that's why I'm looking quite matte. So anyway, let's get into it and let's do swatches and all that good stuff. So this is the box. It's so pretty. I love the color, the nude colors, everything is just nude. The box has the glossy KKW Beauty words, and they are heavy, so you definitely feel like you're getting your money's worth. So they are $44 a piece. It says, from Kim Kardashian West, I'm so excited to expand our range of highlighters with high shine shades that are full on bling, bringing high glow to another level. These palettes have become my go-to for every day and perfect when I need to be camera ready. The highlighter palettes feature radiant powder highlighters that blend flawlessly and melt into the skin, leaving a luminous look all day. It's a soft silky texture. So I do have my little round brush here. This is my go-to. So this is the Real Technique, the setting brush. So I can't believe I forgot to say this. So I posted my swatches in my Instagram story as soon as I got them, and they are now in Kim Kardashian's Instagram story. So I mean, just to see in my messages that it said Kim Kardashian mentioned you was like, literally I was shaking. For my prom, I used a picture of her makeup to recreate for my prom look. I'm just a huge fan of hers, and I just really admire her work ethic. Of our minds, I think, as fans of hers, is like, why doesn't she have a makeup line? So now that she does, being an influencer and getting them for free sent to my house is just like unbelievable, and to be in her Instagram story is really just like blows my mind. So this is literally her Instagram story. Today is her anniversary with Kanye, so if you keep going, that's me right there. Like, my name is in her story. So this is literally my post from my story that was posted on her palettes, and I wrote which palette was which, and I wrote, so creamy and pigmented, the colors are actually different, not 12 shades of gold, can't wait to try on the skin. And I genuinely meant that. I wasn't doing this to try to get attention or anything. I really meant it, and it's so cool that I genuinely was you know, saying how I felt, and then it was put in her story. And here's me again, and this is my arm covered in the highlighter, and I wrote, so pretty, my body's gonna be covered in this all summer. I think that's so cool that they posted me in their store, like, she posted me in her personal Instagram. Like, all right, I'll stop talking about it. Let's get into the highlighters. This is number 2. This is number 1. I love that they're simple. Number 1, number 2. No crazy unicorn, mermaid, island dreams, nothing. Just number 1 and number 2. I just love it. It's so simple. The colors themselves do have names. The colors are white gold, pink, peach, and gold. Love the packaging, again, with the embroidery here back, and I just love that it's so simple and clean. I mean, it's gorgeous. A huge mirror, and I think we can all agree we all love a good mirror in our palettes. They're just perfect for traveling. So this is palette number 1. White, gold, pink, peach, and gold number 1. I'm in front of a window, so this is completely natural lighting, no studio lighting, no fancy equipment, making this look amazing. This is how it really looks in real life. That high shine is real. My fingers are completely dry, there's nothing on them. So this is one swipe, completely dry. High shine. So that's white gold. Then we have pink. So I just did one little swipe. Look how gorgeous that is. And I love that you can see the difference in the texture, how this one has a lot more grit and this one is a little bit more soft. So it's really cool that they have different textures as well. Gold, one little swipe, and I'm barely pressing. And you can see how this one is definitely more yellow. It's not as bright as white gold. We'll do one swipe, dry. Again, you can see the difference, how this one is that pearly white and this one is a gold. Again, with that texture, it's gorgeous. And then the last one we'll do is peach. I love this peachy one because it has that peach gold kind of shift. So beautiful. So this one is perfect for fair to, I would say, medium skin tone, because these would definitely all work on my skin tone. But then palette number 2, and look how creamy they are. Look how they blend right into the skin. I'm gonna be covered in these this summer. I'm gonna be hitting pan. I might have to buy some to replace, because. So let's go into number 2. So the colors in number 2 are gold number 2, bronze number 1, peach number 2, and gold number 1. Gold number 1 is in both palettes. It's really cool as well, because I think sometimes, you know, you need those brands where they have a selection where they take one of the light ones and put it in the dark, or they take one of the dark ones and put it in the light. Like, you need that sometimes, especially for people with my skin tone. Being medium, sometimes when I tan or when I want a little bit more oomph, I need these darker shades. Just adds to the fact that you can layer. So again, my hands are clean and dry. I'm gonna use this arm just so that I'm not using an arm that already has highlighter, so you guys don't come for me. So we're gonna go in with, I'm sure that this is gold again. Saw what that one looked like. Peach number 2, which, oh my god, these feel so buttery. So this one is darker. So peach number 2 is definitely a little darker, more on the rose gold side. And again, you can see the texture difference, how this one is very buttery and this one has a little bit more grit. Bronze number 1, which I think is my favorite just because I'm obsessed with being bronzy. Oh my god, it's so buttery, it's so creamy. It's the perfect bronze color. It is the perfect bronze color. It is gorgeous. Last, we're gonna go into gold number 2. Is this one. So pretty. This one is very soft and very gold. So you can see how it's a little less high shine, but darker. So I love these shades. I think for the summer this will be my palette, just because I'm gonna be darker all summer. Look how they blend into your skin, and almost like that looks wet. So a lot comes off. You can see that. You really don't have to press in much. And my skin is dry. I didn't spray anything on my skin at all. Look at that. That's barely any product. I'm gonna go in a second time and layer it. Holy crap, that's gorgeous. It is so just a natural soft glow. Really reminds me of how she looked at the Met Gala, where it wasn't super metallic. I want to use bronze, even though I'm gonna go and like put it a little bit lower. Ooh, that's too much. A little bit lower. So pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with peach 2. So do you see the difference on the placement? It kind of just melted right into my contour. And you see the difference there, right? It just melted right into my contour and just gave like an all over bronze look. I'm gonna go into the lighter palette. Take white gold, since that's the one that's not in the other palette, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my nose. Woo! Oh yeah, that's intense. If you don't see that, you blind. Look at that. let's use white gold to top off this one here. Yeah, this is really, I would say this is really good for fair, because even for me that's a bit light. But and this is all still on dry skin, guys. We're gonna go pink number 1, and I'm gonna highlight over the brow. Whoa, there's just something about these, the way they melt into the skin. They have this quality that looks like skin. Do you see that? That looks like you were in the sun a little bit in between the brows and you got a little dewy in the sun, but it looks natural, like oil. I'm gonna mix gold and white gold and put that in my inner corners. And then a little bit more white gold. Highlight the brow. You barely need any product. Like, it's insane how soft and pigmented. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. Let's see how it looks after I spray. I didn't use a spray that's supposed to add dewiness or anything. This is kind of just like a rose water. It really melts into the skin. It really just looks like skin. Oh my god, I feel like I look flawless. And I love the difference here, how with this look you can still see your contour and then the highlight is on top. With this look, the bronze color is over my contour, so you lose that sharpness, but you get this really dewy, soft look. So I'm gonna have to even it out because you can see the difference. At least I can. A lot of highlighters, they're very harsh and very metallic, and then when you put them on, it looks like you have foil on your face. These are super, super soft. Barely had to blend. I'm very, very impressed with this formula, guys. I'm not just saying that because I got it for free. If I didn't get these for free but I saw how they worked, I would have bought one myself. You know what I mean? That's the only downfall, is that you can't go into a store and try them or anything. But I'm letting you know that if you saw these in a store, you would be like, whoa, that is a bomb formula. If I had to compare them to any formula, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit with Nicole Guerrero, or Guerrero, her palette mixed with like Becca's highlighters, if they had some kind of baby, it might kind of be similar to these. So that's like the only thing I can compare them to. But I've tried a lot of highlighters in my day, okay, and I love these. I really recommend them. So if they haven't sold out, go grab you one. And if they have, just come back when they come back in stock. I'm sure that you will not be disappointed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Leave a comment, tell me which highlighter is your favorite, and if you're gonna pass up on these, let me know which highlighter in general is your favorite highlighter. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Are you over the highlighter craze? Let me know in the comments. All right, don't forget to stay glam, don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.